friends, my name is Shaurya Patel. I have made a treasure box at RFL Ahmedabad. The components of this treasure box are studded beams, plates, single plates and many more. I have made this treasure box in such a way that when I put the key to press this lock inside, the lock would get removed and the treasure box would open. Now let me show you a demo. As you can see right now, it is not opening. But when I put this key and push this part, the key inside, the treasure box will open.